Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chef Dheeraj. I'm faculty at IHM Sri Sakti Begumpet, Hyderabad. So, as you know that we are facing a critical condition in our entire all over the world because we are facing a corona, and everybody is like having cravings of so many foods which they can't like have it while they were having outside. They were going hotels, they were having going in the restaurant, and they were having it. So Amul has come through like very simple, very homemade recipes which I am going to show you, which you can make at your home. It's very simple recipe. So it's mango baked yogurt. You require only just 3 simple ingredients which is available at every basic household. We required Amul fresh cream, okay, then we required Amul mithai made, okay. The third one is our hung curd. I will show you what is hung curd. It's basically our yogurt or curd which can be like you can keep in the muslin cloth and you can hung it for like few hours so that you can remove all the extra excessive water, and then you can use it in this dessert. So apart from this, you required is our fresh mangoes to decorate it, to garnish it, okay. So we'll start with the recipe. We required like Amul cream is of 100 gram. Our mithai made, that's you required of 100 gram of mithai made. Then you required is the third one is our hung curd, that is also of 100 gram. The third one is you can use your mango, fresh mango, you can pulp it, you can make a puree out of it, and then you can use it. You can use 25 gram of fresh mango puree, and you can use in the mixture itself, and then we'll put it the mixture, we can strain it, we will put it in the glass bowl or ramekins, and you can just bake it out. It will take only 8 to 10 minutes of baking. It required very less time of baking on 170 degree. So you have to be very careful. No need to put it for a longer time of baking. Okay. So we'll start through it. First, what we will do, we'll take out all 3 ingredients together. So basically, we'll take our cream. How many of you like mangoes? If you like mangoes, please write I love mangoes in the chat box. And then we will take our hung curd. Believe me, you will fall in love with this. It's a very simple recipe, and you will definitely going to love this when you will try at home. Then we can use our fresh mango pulp. I made a fresh mango pulp out of our fresh mangoes. So you can see the mixture, it's ready. You can check the consistency of it. Okay, it is not very hard and not very soft, not very runny. So once you get this consistency, after mixing it properly, what you required is we will strain it. Okay. We are straining it so that we will remove all the extra lumps, and if there is any chunks of the mango, it will be get removed, and you will get a smooth consistency when you are having it. So you can see I strained it. Now what I am going to do, I will put this mixture in our ramekins. You can use a glass bowl as well instead of ramekins. You can tap it lightly. Okay, with 100 gram of your recipe, it will give 3 to 4 portions. Okay, so after this, what you can do, we'll fill some water in this tray so that we can put it in double boiler. This process is known as double boiler. We put some water in a tray and then we put it for the baking. What I am going to do is I am going to put it the oven. Okay, we'll close the oven. We'll keep it for the 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so meanwhile what you can do, you can start with the making of your plating and we can be ready with your plates. So for your plating, I am going to use some fresh mangoes. I have some you can keep it simple. Okay, so I am just putting a little bit of mango pulp. Take a spoon and just, you can see how I am going to do is slightly just take a spoon and just you use the mango pulp and pull it out. You will get a simple design what you can do at your home. And what else we can do, we'll just put our dessert or mango yogurt. When it is ready, we'll put it here and then we'll use some mint sprig and fresh mangoes. Meanwhile, what I will do is I will cut our mangoes in small pieces. So it's ready. So our fruit is ready, mango is ready, mango plates is ready, and we have some mint. We'll use it on the top of the. And I want to explain you about what is hung curd. Hung curd is basically a curd. How you can make it? Like you require yogurt or curd. You use a muslin cloth. What you will do? You will keep the curd in that muslin cloth, and we will hang it for few hours, like 3 to 4 hours. And after that, you will get the consistency of your regular, not like regular curd. It will be our thick consistency. I will show you. We have some So it's our regular curd. After you hanging it for few hours, like 3 to 4 hours, basically like we'll get it in this consistency. Okay, so and we are using this basically. So after that, like you can just mix it and you can go through it. Meanwhile, you have to check your dessert also. That don't forget that you will just keep it for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, you can do some more variations while the plating. You can use some different like whipped cream on the plates. I am keeping it very simple so that you can use it like you can prepare it at home also. Okay, so after like 8 to 10 minutes, you need to check your dessert. It will take few more minutes, so I will just close it out, and once it is ready, you will get I have already baked a small piece of the, like one portion of the our hankard, our milkmaid. So it will come in this texture. So you can see the consistency of your baked yogurt. It is not very soft, not very runny like our regular yogurt or curd. Okay, so it's become really very thick. So what we can do, we can just put it here. Okay, and just we can put some fresh mangoes on top. We can keep some mint sprig on top of it. You can keep 1 or 2 mangoes on the plates itself, so it will look more attractive when you are serving to your guest. So this is your mango baked yogurt. It's very simple and very easy to make at your home. Try it at your home. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, please comment it and ask like if you liked it, and even you can follow me on the Instagram page. It's Chef Dheeraj Gupta, or you can follow me on the YouTube as the Cardamom. So I hope you will like it. Stay fit at home, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you for watching my video. Now so many